ton.
Yeah.
Clean your workspace.
Yeah, so the way I like to think about this is that...
But you're talking to teenagers here. That's a little bit hard.
So here's the thing, though. When I think about that, we have to first think about that a clear space equals a clear mind. And every parent and every teenager knows this, that the physical digital distractions like cell phones, etc., remove those off the table. So the tip that I'd give here is, I guess, what I consider completely non-traditional and probably not really spoken about. And that is... all the other homework and assignments and tests that are way in the future that we tend to store on our desk.
Boom.
Because
put it away.
Yeah, put it away. Because what that does, you know, first of all, you have your homework for today and your homework for the future. That causes extreme anxiety. You tend to stare at it. It tends to create, I guess, a sense of being paralyzed. You don't know what to start on, where to start, and it's hard to even prioritize it. So just putting the homework on for today on the desk will really help you understand the work that needs to be completed.